Drake here with MaritimeGardening.com. A couple months ago, I did a promotion for my other channel, Outdoors on the Cheap, where I said the first 1,000 subscribers will get have a chance to win one of 3 of these more basic knives. You know, we got about 500 subscribers almost overnight, and then it sort of petered off. Right, so we haven't got to 1,000 subscribers yet. It's been a few months, so I thought, why not just give those 3 away? So if you're one of the people that subscribe to that channel, Outdoors on the Cheap, go to the channel. I've got a video announcing the winners and the details about that. Go there, check that out, and claim your prize. You got 3 days if you're one of those winners. And the winners are, I'll just quickly, Sean Fawcett, Wayne Hebert, and the third one is N-MC. So if you're one of those 3 people and you subscribe to my Outdoors channel, go there, watch that video. I think it's called And the Winner Is. It'll have a title like that. Or More a Knife Winner Is, it'll have a title like that. But I still haven't got 1,000 subscribers, so I thought I'd do another promotion to try to get there. Now, if you were among that first group of people, you're still in the running. You can still win this next prize. What's the next prize? One of these Silky Gomboy saws. If you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you notice I tend to use these in my videos because I believe in them. They're good saws. So it's a folding saw. It's all metal working parts. I've had this one for 7 years. This is the first one I ever bought. Still works great. You can replace the blades, right? This one right now it's got a fine blade on it because I've been using it to do a bit of pruning in the garden, so it's great for the garden. But you can also get a coarse blade and use that. They usually come with a coarser blade. Good for going out in the woods and, you know, just having it along with you for getting, you know, fallen trees that are in front of a trail or whatever, clearing things like that, clearing branches on a trail, that sort of thing. Very aggressive 7 TPI tooth per inch teeth, right? 7 teeth per inch. This is 20 teeth per inch. So this is better for, you know, basically cutting the branches off of trees, cutting down trees, you know, processing wood in a serious sort of aggressive way. This is better for doing really fine, clean cuts like you would if you were pruning an apple tree or a fruit tree or something like that. So this is the one we're giving away because this is the one, I've got a number of them, right? I've got that one, I've got this Silky Big Boy, which is almost like a lightweight portable chainsaw in terms of what it can do. Very amazing saw. And you can get this little, you know, if you're just doing light stuff, only pruning, and you're hardly ever in the woods, maybe get one of these, a Pocket Boy. Anyway, I've got all 3 of these. I use all 3, but I tend to use this one the most. So this is the one I thought we should give away because I find it the most useful, the most utility, right? So if you're among the first 1,000 subscribers to Outdoors on the Cheap, including the people that have already subscribed, we're giving away 2 of these. So you got a chance to win 1 of 2 of these folding saws. Very handy saw. I think the one we're giving away is going to have medium teeth on it, so it's sort of good for everything. But you can, you know, also buy the different kinds of teeth. And of course, if you buy from the Newfoundland Knife Company, you get a discount because I've got a coupon code. Good till the end of this year, so good till December 31st, 2021. 10% off. The coupon code is MGP2021. All right, so yeah, check out their website. I mean, they're a company, the online sales that sells knives, saws, axes, things like that, right? But the main reason I got a hold of them is because I noticed they sell these, right? Silky saws, which are, in my opinion, the most useful, versatile, hard to break, durable, you know, folding saws you can get. So they're good around the yard, good around the garden, good around the house, but also great for taking out in the woods because they're so hard to break. And they cut on the pull, so it's very unlikely you're going to pinch and bend your blade because you're cutting on the pull. Usually it's when you push is when your saw bends and you get a bend in your blade and it won't come out, right? Because you're pushing so violently. But these saws you cut on the pull, much less likely to bend the blade. And also because they cut on the pull, they're just that much easier to use. So yeah, if you still haven't subscribed to Outdoors on the Cheap and you're interested in that sort of thing, or you just want to win the saw, the folding saw, you know, sure, subscribe. We're going to give away 2 of these. And of course, I'm going to keep doing the gardening videos. I mean, the outdoors thing is just another thing I feel like I can make videos about. So sometimes when I'm out here, you know, I feel like bringing a camera. I feel like explaining what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, but the content really doesn't fit in my gardening channel. It just doesn't go. So I thought, why not create a second channel? Then if you're going to have a second channel, it might as well be successful, right? You might as well build a subscribership and build it up quick. So anyway, if you're interested in that, subscribe to that channel. You have a chance to win one of these. If you don't want this particular thing, or you just want to see what they sell and you enjoy getting 10% discounts, check out the Newfoundland Knife Company, 10% off with MGP2021 coupon code until the end of this year. Check that out. I got a lot of neat looking things, a lot of interesting designs for knives and axes and that sort of stuff. And they got some pretty, some classic things as well. But they also have these Silky saws. They have great prices and 10% discount on top of that. So, if you've been thinking you need a folding saw, this is the one I would get. That's the best way I can put it. Okay, and I'm not getting any money from them. They're just offering a coupon code to my viewers, and they're giving away 2 folding saws to my viewers to help promote my outdoors channel. So I hope you found that interesting. Check all that out. If you're into the outdoors, check out outdoors. If you're into that sort of content, the sort of stuff I'm going to be doing there, check that out. But until next time, get out there, get at it, and have fun in your garden, have fun in the outdoors. Thanks for